Okay, hi, and today I'm going to show you how to make an excavator. Oh, here's the video. See, it can plow the dirt up. Okay, so what you need first is this piece, and then you need this piece. Put that on. You need this piece. And attach it like this. And then put this piece on and attach it like that. Like this. And put another piece of this on. Like this. And now, get one of these and put the wheels on like this. See? And then attach it like this. And do the same with the other one. And put it right here. See? And now you put this piece on. A blue slanted piece will also work for this. You put it on right there. And now you can put this piece on. This piece. Or you can do this piece right here. And this one spins, it spins, see? And this one you can also do, but I'll be using this piece. And now, put a square on, and now put this on right here. These pieces are longer for it, but I would recommend the hooks. Now put this piece on like this. It can bend, see? And then after that, put this piece on and put it here. See? And then put these two pieces on right here. Put two of these on. So put two of them on. And put them on right here, like this. And then get this one and put it right here. See? And then put these pieces on. See? Put this one and this one on. And put this on here. Like this. And there you go, you have a little excavator, and you can store it like this. See? So it's spread, and you can store it like that. And then it can lift it up, put it over, and done, see? So you better get some Legos and have it pick it up. See you next time. And don't forget to hit the bell to be notified when the latest
Thanks for watching.